we do these things, a few things happen. Sometimes they are victims. In the case of the last 240 victims, for example, when we rescued them, there were women who had delivered in that same place, never gone out, just being in there. There were people whose legs have been broken because they didn't obey instructions. There are a lot of them who were sick, some malnourished. So we carried all these people to our office, and then we have to screen them. And we also had to feed them, and we also had to take some to the hospital. We also have to find a way to send them back home. So you imagine our budget and feeding 240 people 2 times a day. Even though they are not Ghanaians, they are in our custody and they are victims. So we treat them with the same respect as we would treat anybody.